Today, I'm going to share with you 4 amazing YouTube channels that helped me personally improve my English. They aren't just random recommendation. They actually made a big difference in how I speak, understand, and even think in English. And I truly believe they can help you too. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are trying to learn English and understand native speakers, then this video is for you. And make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to share with you which one of these channels I still follow this day. The one that continue to help me improve even now. So let's get started. So the first channel I want to mention is Speak English with Vanessa. Vanessa is just one of those teachers who makes you feel speak slowly and clearly. She really focuses on helping you build confidence in speaking. I learned so many English phrases from her. Things that you can use in real life, not just in exam or test books. Her lesson feel like you are chatting with a friend and learning together. Next is English with Tiffany. What I love about Tiffany is her energy. She is so full of passion. It's impossible not to motivate when you watch her videos. She has this amazing system to help you start speaking quickly, and her explanations are always clear. If you ever feel like you are stuck or don't know how to say what's in your head, then she's the one to guide you through. Another favorite of mine is Emma from engvid. Yes, a different Emma. She is calm, clear, and really good at explaining grammar in a way that finally makes sense. Her lesson helped me a lot with sentence structure and exam preparation. If you are kind of learner who likes details and clarity, then she is perfect. And finally, the one channel I still follow to this day. The one that feels like constant guide on my English journey is Learn English with Rebeca from engvid. Rebecca isn't just a great teacher, she has something special. The way she explains English feels like personal. Almost feels like she is sitting right there with you. She has calm, clear style that makes even the most confusing grammar rules feel simple. Her lessons are full of real life language expressions and pronunciation that you actually hear from native speakers. But what really sets her apart from me is the connection. When I was still struggling to feel confident speaking English, her video gave me that boost. Even now, when I want to refresh something or just to listen good English, I go back to her channel. Every time I learn something new. So if you only check out one channel from this list, make it Rebecca. She's been a game changer for me. These 4 YouTube teachers helped me improve my English quickly and naturally. And I hope you check them out, and I would love to hear in the comment section which one you are excited to watch first, or maybe you already follow some of them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who is also learning English. We are all in this together. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.